viewers, we are getting a breaking update in the sacrilege cases in Punjab. This is the second sacrilege case that we're talking about, the one in Kapurthala, in which in just the space of 12 hours in the state, a second accused has been beaten to death by a mob. We've been following the story of how in the Golden Temple a sacrilege case was caught on camera. That was from yesterday. That accused was killed. And now a second case that came to light in Kapurthala, the accused there has also been killed. He has been beaten to death by a mob. We have Amandeep joining us. Amandeep, for sure this is a very sensitive set of cases. But what is going on with regards to justice in this? Because we are seeing justice being dispensed rather by mobs, and 2 people have been killed as well. What is going on there, Amandeep?
Very true, Ankit. The point is that now this situation is actually very sensitive. One after another case of attempt to sacrilege and mob lynching is reported in Punjab. And in fact, in second case in Kapurthala, that incident was reported at 4 o'clock in the morning. And in fact, that alleged accused was detained by the Gurdwara authorities. And till 7 p.m. he was in the custody of Gurdwara authorities. By 7 a.m. Police reached there by getting the information and asking the Gurdwara authorities to kindly hand over the alleged accused to them for the further interrogation and investigation, so they will get to know what kind of person he is and what is the conspiracy behind it. But that person was not handed over to police. He remained in the custody of Gurdwara authorities, and later on some Sikh organization, some Nihang has been reached there after watching the video on the social media, and they reached there, and then the mob lynching happened, resulting to the death of that alleged accused. And later on the body was handed over to police, and that was shifted to Civil Hospital Kapurthala for the post-mortem. So this is how the entire scene unfolded by today's attempt to sacrilege incident. Just because Gurdwara authorities were claiming that that person who entered without any permission in the Gurdwara, and he was trying to desecrate Nishan Sahib, that is a Sikh flag, always inside the Gurdwara. And in the meanwhile, meantime, the Gurdwara authorities reached there, they detained him, and in fact they got to know everything, why he was here, from where he has come, and in fact they called all the Sikh outfits. This is the second incident, and now the entire concern of the state is about law and order situation, just because after Golden Temple in Kapurthala, and in fact the police is investigating the matter, but somewhere down the line it is touching to the Sikh sentiments. Sacrilege cases are touching to the Sikh sentiments, and in fact provoking the mob to gather at the Gurdwaras so that such kind of incidents can be avoided themselves. Neither they are taking the assistance of police. So the entire scenario and entire situation is very sensitive, Ankit. And now Punjab state is heading to polls, and just months before polls, this kind of situation and these kind of incidents reported from the particular region, and even indicates so many things. Meanwhile, Punjab Home Minister has already issued sound in the border villages of Punjab, and in fact asked the police to beef up the security outside the Gurdwaras. And they have also asked the Gurdwara authorities to install the CCTV cameras and remain them operational, so that if any such case, similar case reported, it should be recorded in the CCTV camera as an evidence. And in fact now the police is also getting in touch with the Gurdwara authorities to know more about the incident. And even Home Minister of Punjab, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, has also asked the police to check the CCTV footage of bus stand, railway station and other places, that how this person has entered into the Golden Temple and Kapurthala Gurdwara, and from where he has reached here. So this investigation is already on, but the point is nothing has been sorted. Even the person who was killed in Golden Temple, his identity remain still to be as certain, just because he was having no identification proof, neither he was having any mobile, and in fact just a CCTV footage and his image. So now they are trying to identify him by the biometric also. Yes, Ankit.
So Amandeep there getting us all the inputs. This second grave incident of sacrilege, and also similarly in the space of 12 hours, just like we saw in Amritsar, the accused was lynched to death. These are two cases that have taken place in Punjab in the last 12 hours. We are tracking this very closely. I thank you, Amandeep.